The W-2 column, the W-2 is taxed 28 to 33%. That's the highest tax rate. Now, here's what you have to understand. There's nothing wrong with a job. Repeat after me. Be thankful, but not satisfied. There's nothing wrong with a job. A job simply means that your tax code is the highest. That's all it means. W-2, 1099, Schedule C, Schedule A, 501c3, 401k. These are all just letters and numbers. The government uses letters and numbers for their tax codes. W-2 means highest one. I'm just telling you. Here's the problem with the W-2. I'm not bashing jobs. I told you, be thankful but not satisfied. Here's the problem. On your job's balance sheet, you are a liability. On your balance sheet, they are an asset. So on your balance sheet at home, everybody knows in life, in business, you got income and expenses. Assets and what? Liabilities. On yours, they positive. On theirs, you negative. So the balance sheet has a conflict. You at home like, I love my job. They at home like, how can we cut down? See, you love them, but then the job has the business, which your job is a business, they got to earn a quarterly what? Profit, revenue, and turn a what? Turn a profit. So they trying to see how they can cut what? Back. So you at home trying to expand. They at work trying to contract. That's why it's frustrating. You like, I got big dreams, big goals. We're going to travel the world. Your job like, what can we do? See what I'm saying? So that's the highest tax bracket, and they're contracting. You need to get to the lowest tax bracket while you what? Expanding. That's the conflict in America. 1099, taxed 18. We're going across 18 to 23%. Now, isn't that better than 28 to 33? Mm-hmm. So already the code 1099 is better than W-2. Just off the top, it's just tax code. See, in America, how you make your money determines how it's taxed. So 1099 means tax me later. W-2 means tax me now. Number 3, going across, the investor is taxed less than 15%. This is called income shifting. You're taking your highest tax bracket, passing it through a home-based what? Business, and landing all your money eventually in the lowest what? Tax bracket. You got to shift your income from left to right. The money's on the right because you get to keep more what? More of it. The poverty's on the left because the government get more what? Of it. But the answer is in the middle. You can't go from left to right. Not that you can't, but most people need that process of getting their cash flow right, starting a small home-based business, and then investing so you don't lose your shirt. People that lose their shirt is because they try to go from 1 to 3. Oh, Brian, I put everything in my 401k. Who told you to do that? You got to have a process and a strategy so you don't lose your shirt. That's why you always hear like investment horror stories, because people just went all in. They didn't learn nothing. Make sense?